There's no symbol that comes out, but clearly my emails and phone should just say Batman speed dial, come and get this bat. My mom says I was brainwashed at a very early age since my dad is also a bat biologist. So I got exposure and experience starting at about 4 or 5 years of age. I was always fascinated by people's excitement and fear at the same time about bats. And then you see that they're quite cute and they're not vicious. I mean, they will try to bite you, but so will a mouse, you know, if you try to hold it, or a praying mantis or something like that. There's still a lot to be learned about these fascinating animals, and they're in our backyards, they're in our houses. As I was just out with somebody this weekend, helping them learn about how to exclude bats from their house. So that's one of the other main things I do here in Kearney for kind of my community service. So I'm able to help them relieve their fears and stress and more just education. I'm an educator. I'm here at the university, and then I like to also do the general public too. This fall alone, coming up to Halloween, I've given, I think we're up to 6 or 8 talks at schools already this year. And so just educating them about, you know, these bats are in these buildings for heat, to raise their young, they're warm. There's no mosquitoes in here, don't get me wrong, okay? But they are the #1 consumers of night flying insects, which could potentially have carried diseases that humans might get, or they're pests for us. There's a lot of them that eat beetles and moths, which are crop pests. A lot of the foods that we eat, the tropical fruits that we eat, are either dispersed by or originally pollinated by bats in tropical areas. But they're huge benefits for humans. Some people think I'm a little crazy studying bats and rats, but just giving the opportunity to interact so they're not so fearful about maybe going to college or, you know, going to high school and interacting with their teachers or professors. That's one message. Another message clearly is that bats do ecological services, and again, not to be as fearful. There's a number of myths out there.